This is question 15 from the 2008 non-calculator paper. Here we're asked to do a little bit more expanding. So we're asked to expand x bracket 3x minus 5y. Now remember, all that we're doing to expand is we multiply the value that is outside the bracket by everything that's inside. So we're going to do x multiplied by 3x to begin with. So x multiplied by 3x, that's going to give us 3x squared. Then we're going to multiply x by negative 5y. So x multiplied by negative 5y is going to give us minus 5xy. Doesn't matter what order the x and the y are in, so you could have minus 5yx. That's a common answer to give as well, and it's correct. Part B. Part B asks us to factorise x squared minus 36. Now at first glance you may think, hold on a minute, this doesn't have any factors in common. However, what we should recognise here is the fact that this is what we call the difference of two squares. This is actually a quadratic expression that's been simplified, and the key indicator to spotting a difference of two squares expression is that the number at the end of the expression will be a negative square number. So 36 is 6 squared, and we've got this negative 36, and we've got x squared here. So what we can say is this is a quadratic expression, in which case it's come from double brackets. So what could it have been? Well, to get x squared, we know it's x and x, and then to get this negative 36, plus 6 and minus 6. Hopefully you can see why we don't have any x terms there, because this here, if we expand it, expands to x squared plus 0x minus 36. Obviously we don't need that 0x there, so we can lose it, and then clearly you can see those two things are the same. So just watch out for those. As I said, the key indicator is that you see x squared followed by a negative square number. Then you know, hold on a minute, it's come from double brackets. So if you got that question wrong, what I suggest you do is you pause the video now, attempt these two questions, and then press play to see the solutions. So we've been asked to expand 3x bracket 4x plus 2y minus 3. So again, just multiplying the quantity that's outside the bracket by everything that is inside the bracket. So 3x multiplied by 4x, well, 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. X multiplied by x gives us x squared. Then we've got 3x multiplied by positive 2y, so plus 2y. So 3 multiplied by 2, that's going to give us 6. Then x multiplied by y, we can think of that as being xy. Then lastly, 3x multiplied by negative 3, that's going to give us negative 9x. So our expanded expression would be 12x squared plus 6xy minus 9x. Second one, we've been asked to factorise. Again, this is another difference of two squares question. We can spot that because we've got this negative square number followed by x squared. So this has come from double brackets. So x multiplied by x, that's given us the x squared. And what is the square? What number squared will give us 81? We can say that that is plus 9 and negative 9. So that gives us our final answer.